In this video, let's see how the three basic laws of logarithm can be used to simplify some questions on theory of logarithm. The first law says, if log mn to a common base of a, if you have to collapse this and break them down separately, in as much as it's multiplication, it's going to be log m base a plus log n base a. That's rule 1. The second law is, if it is division log m divided by n to a common base of a, and then it's being collapsed to a negative. That's log m base a minus log n base a. And the third law is, if log m raised to the power of n base a, the power is used as the coefficient of the log itself. That's n log m base a. These three basic laws of logarithm can actually be used to simplify or to solve some questions on theory of logarithm. Let's take, for example, here is to simplify. Let me say an example here. We're to simplify 1 over 2 log 25 over 4 minus 2 log 4 over 5, and then base 10, of course, the base is 10, and then plus log 320 over 125 base 10. Then, if we are to simplify this question, the first thing we want to do is to move this to become the power of this because of the third rule there. So this can be log 25 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2. That's rule 3 minus log 4 over 5 raised to the power of 2. That's still rule 3. Of course, base 10, and then plus log 320 over 125 base 10. And then the next step is to make use of this as the square root, and that's one of the laws of indices there. This becomes the square root of 25 over 4 base 10. That's the interpretation of 25 over 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus, we can just decide to put it in a bracket, minus this is log, of course, 4 squared is going to be 16 over 5 squared, that's going to be 25 base 10, plus log 320 over 125 base 10. And this is what we have. And then we go further to finding the square root of 25, which is 5 over square root of 4. That's 2 base 10 in the bracket, minus this is log 16 over 25 base 10 in the bracket. We can just choose to put all of this in a bracket. And then this is plus log 320 over 125 base 10 in the bracket. And then we need to apply the first and the second rules of laws of logarithm. Okay, remember, if it is subtraction, it's actually basically division, and if it is addition, it's multiplication. So we can take a common logarithm of everything we have there. If you take a common logarithm of everything we have the log to base 10, everything is 5 over 2. Because it's subtraction here, it's going to be division, 16 over 25. And because this one is addition, of course, that will be changed to multiplication. That's 320 over 125. Okay, we're applying this law because we have now taken a common logarithm to base 10 of everything we have there. And this becomes log to base 10 in the bracket. Okay, this is 5 over 2. And of course, if it is division here, we can work with that sign. We need to change it to multiplication. And this, the fraction after the sign, will be inverted to 25 over 16, then times 320 over 125. And then we can just cut out 25 here, 25 here, that's going to be 5. And of course, 5 can get rid of 5 there. And then 16 here, that's going to be 20. And 2 here, that's going to be 10. And therefore, what we finally have out is log 10 base 10. And of course, log 10 base 10, that's going to be 1. Okay, so that is the answer to such a question. Let's take a look at another example. And then the first thing we want to do is to convert this to improper fraction, and then apply the third rule of moving this to become the power of whatever we obtain there. So we just have to do log 1 over 8 base 4 plus log, okay, to base 4, 1 times 4 plus 3. That's going to be 7 over 4. Then moving these two back, that becomes square minus log 49 over 32 base 4. And then here is log to base 4 of 1 over 8 plus log 7 square, that's 49 over 16 base 4, and then minus log 49 over 32 base 4. And then we want to take a common logarithm of everything so that we can apply the laws of logarithm there. So taking a common logarithm to base 4 of all the terms we have there, this becomes 1 over 8, and of course addition becomes multiplication of 49 over 16, and subtraction becomes division, that's 49 over 32. Okay, so taking a common logarithm of to base 4, this is 1 over 8 times 49 over 16. Changing this one to multiplication, this fraction is going to be inverted, so that becomes 32 over 49. So we can just cut out 49, get rid of 49, 16 here, 1, 16 here, 2 here, 2 here, 4. And therefore what we have here is log 1 over 4. We have 1 over 4 here, base 4. And of course, this can be written as log 4 raised to the power of minus 1, base 4. And then the third rule or the third law of indices can be applied. This minus 1 here, because it's power, is going to be minus 1 log 4 base 4. And of course, log 4 base 4 is 1. So this becomes minus 1 times 1. And our final answer is going to be minus 1. That is the answer to such a question. Let's take a look at another question there, and then the only thing we have to do here is log 4 base 5 minus, this is log 5 over 6 squared. We need to make this one a power, that's the third law of logarithm, and then plus log 625 over 144 base 5, and then this is log 4 base 5, and then minus log 25 over 36 base 5, that's 5 squared 25, 6 squared 36, and then plus log 625 over 144 base 5. And then we can take a common logarithm to base 5 of everything so that we can apply the laws of logarithm. So here is log to base 5, and then here is 4. Because it's minus, is going to be division, that's divided by 25 over 36, and then because it's addition there, that changes to multiplication, 625 over 144. And then definitely we're going to have log to base 5. This one is same thing as 4 over 1, and of course this one has to be changed to multiplication, so the fraction after that will be inverted. That's 36 over 25, and then multiply by 625 over 144. And of course we can just go straight and then cut out all the terms that we have there. 25 here 1, 25 here 25, 36 here 1, and of course 36 and 144, that should be 4. And then the 4 here can as well get rid of 4 there. That means what we have left is log 25 base 25, and then this can as well be log 5 square base 5. And then the third law of logarithm can still be applied there. That becomes 2 log 5 base 5, and log of any number to the same base is always 1, and therefore this is 2 times 1, and our answer is 2. That is the answer to such a question. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channels.